Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Whirlpool brand dishwasher and it's giving you an F10 error code and you're wondering what is this F10 and is there anything that I can do to get rid of it. So, and if you have an F10, what you might have noticed is you start the cycle and it sounds like it's going through it. It takes in water, it sounds like it's like going through the thing to start up, and then after a while it'll stop, it'll abandon the cycle and it'll throw up this error. And the reason that is because it's sensing a problem with the heater. So it's unable to heat the water properly. So it won't show that error until it gets to that stage of heating the water. And unfortunately, this is not, a simple thing to fix, like a drain error where it's localized in one spot, because it could be the heater that's burned out or has some kind of error to it. It could also be the wiring to the heater that has come loose or been damaged or frayed or corroded or whatever. Or it could also be the control board that is, sending the wrong signals and not communicating properly with the heating unit. And figuring that out means really getting into the guts of the dishwasher. And at that point, you're probably better off calling a technician. But anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.